I'm excited to share my experience with G&J's Cocktail Smoker Box Kit. I received this product as a review gift and it's genuinely transformed my home cocktail ritual. This isn't just another gadget, it's a thoughtfully designed piece that brings a touch of art into everyday moments. The box features dual view windows that let you watch the smoke swirl as it infuses your drink or even your charcuterie, turning a simple process into a captivating experience. The magnetic clasp makes it easy to open and close, and the protective corners ensure the box stays secure and durable. The smoker gun is equally impressive. With 2 fan speeds, it gives you precise control over how much smoke you want, and it runs on 2 AA batteries, which makes it wonderfully portable. The funnel-shaped reservoir filter is designed to ensure that every puff maximizes the flavor infusion, letting you experiment with different tastes and aromas. Then there's the beautifully crafted bamboo tray. It's water-resistant with a recessed surface that keeps your glasses and ingredients secure, so you can focus on enjoying the process without worrying about spills. The kit includes 6 unique wood chip varieties: apple, cherry, cinnamon, oak, hickory, and mesquite. Perfect for those who appreciate variety and quality. My husband and I love to kick off our date nights with some smoked cheese and charcuterie. Recently, I experimented with a smoked tequila cocktail using this kit. I mixed fresh squeezed orange juice, ice, and club soda, and I love that I could smoke 2 cocktail glasses at the same time. The result was a cocktail with smoky tequila that carried hints of mezcal, a flavor that truly resonated with me. G&J's Cocktail Smoker Box Kit isn't just a tool, it's an invitation to explore flavor, craftsmanship, and creativity right at home.